Welcome to this Android channel, and this is the Android and Google news for Tuesday, September 11, 2018. And today in our tech news, we have Qualcomm that has released the Snapdragon Wear 3100 low-power chip for Android watches of the future, with promise of better performance, improved battery life. This also will apparently help displays get better and brighter displays. So this is the next generation, and it's going to be interesting to see all the devices that will come out with this new chip. It looks more and more like maybe the Pixel 3 XL videos and pictures we've seen are kind of fake. Some YouTubers have actually ranted against the notch because they're saying this is ugly and shouldn't be there. And apparently some of them have been contacted by Google to ask if they can use their ranting videos. And the only reason why you would use a rant video is that they want to use it in a Google event to say people don't like the notch. That's why this is not what we've done with the Pixel 3 XL. It's going to be very interesting to see what they're going to announce on October 9th. The interesting update to the News app. Google is, of course, updating its News app to work better, not only on high-end devices, but also to make it work better on low-end devices and give you the capabilities of downloading, for example, news of all sorts of news, for example, to your device, and not have to rely on, for example, your LTE or your connection over the cell network for these news items. Also, by reducing the load of some of these news and videos, it might actually work better on older and cheaper devices. So how many devices are actually on Android Go? This is, of course, the operating system for a much better and kind of done for the purpose of having a stock Android experience with the least amount of whatever added to make your phone slower. But we don't really have a number about Android Go, how many devices actually sold. But that indication might be in another number. Google Go, which is the app that only is available for Android Go devices, has hit 10 million downloads in the Play Store, which means there might be a lot more Android Go devices out there than we think. Alphabet, of course, says that its project Loon has been able to connect at distances of 1,000 kilometers between their balloons. That's 621 miles. And of course, this is creating a web of internet distribution of balloons. And of course, this is good news because it means it'll be able to give internet service to remote communities. And of course, they want to do this by having the least amount of balloons available in the sky. And finally, some leaks of what looks like a new pixelbook from Google are showing up, that the bezel is pretty much gone, and that it's even possible that there's a detachable keyboard. Now, with these little leaks, we are all now waiting for the October 9th event to see what will be announced. And this was the Android and Google news for Tuesday, September 11, 2018. If you enjoy videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.